Hello, dear children. Hope you all are fine and having a big smile on your face while watching this video. Today, we are going to start our first chapter, Going to School. This chapter shows how children from different society and different states have to reach their school. It aims to make you familiar with different types of modes of transportation and bridges. Going to school in India is a celebration of what school can be. It inspires children to think of went to school as fun and also adventure. It explores different ways of going to school in India, told through the eyes of a child who goes to school in adverse conditions. Every school day, millions of children goes to school. They move on mountains, walking fields, deserts, jungles, and cross rivers, bridges, etc., crossing great distances. Some children are riding bicycles and waiting for buses on roads. Some come with bright bags with books, lunch bags, black buckle shoes, and with a smile in their uniform. Children come to school because they believe going to school can change their lives. They will fertile well, gain knowledge, learn values, develop integrity, enhance skills, etc. This lesson not only highlights India's extreme landscape but also indomitable spirit of the children to conquer their landscapes and go to school. Children, all of you are coming to school, right? How do you come to school? Each one of you come to school on different modes. Maybe by walk, by bus, by auto, by van, by two-wheelers, by bicycles, etc. Here, you can observe how children of Assam go to school when it rains heavily. Going to school in India tells the stories of children going on bamboo bridges, trolleys, cement bridges, small wooden boat vallam, bullock carts, by bicycle, jugaad made of scraps, walking across jungles, moving on the snow, walking on rocky paths to reach the school. Meet some children and see how they reach school. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the other. We quickly cross the bamboo and drawbridge to reach school. Here you can observe how the children of Assam go to school when it rains heavily. When it rains heavily, what happens? We can see water flowing everywhere. Sometimes floods. Movement of people become difficult in all aspects of life. Did you observe the way the children are going to school where the rainwater is up to knee level? It is really appreciable. In Assam, children are adapted to the wonderful skill of walking through the bamboo bridges. They carefully hold their books in one hand and bamboos in other hand and walk carefully and reach their school. Did you know how these bamboo bridges are made? These bridges are made using bamboos and ropes. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with shoes or slippers? Why? Answer: since barefoot with toes provides a better grip than shoes or slippers. I think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot. Now, let us meet the children of Ladakh. the trolley, every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides, it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley. Trolley means an open box made of wood, attached with a rope. 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. We now saw about the children in Ladakh going to school. In Ladakh, the rivers are very wide and deep. Children cross the river by the trolley and go to their school. Do you think traveling on trolley is easy? Definitely not. Children must be courageous. They must hold the trolley tightly because they are moving several feet above the water level. They should hold on to the trolley very tight to make sure that they don't fall into the gushing, fast flowing river. Observe pictures 1 and 2. In the pictures, children are pulling the buckets from the well. Can you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? No need to any doubt about this question. By using the pulley, you can lift things very easily. Pulleys are used in cranes, bulldozers, in moving curtains, in flagpoles to hoist flags, to lift heavy objects in construction field, in elevators, to fetch water from wells, trolleys, etc. Let us conclude. The children in Assam, where it rains so much, use bamboo bridge to reach the school. The children in Ladakh use a trolley attached with a rope to reach the school. Today's keywords: bamboo bridge, trolley, pulley. After writing the chapter's name, write each keywords 5 times in your notebook. Today's section is over. I have got to get going. Thank you.